What up, YouTube? It's your boy Tweety Bird right here, showing y'all what I've been doing, what I'm working on right now. Working on this bad boy right now. Got the frame, got the body painted, got all the paint job done and everything right now. 1950. What you know? Buccaneer Atlanta game. Don't like neither one of them teams. Let's go Cowboys. But look, I'm gonna show you.
A touchdown and 1 interception. He's had a 7-play drive for a field goal and a 9-play drive for a touchdown. You can definitely tell that Jameis has settled down from the opening drives where he was overthrown 6 for 6 that last drive and really settling in and taking control of the offense. 3 tight ends in for the Bucs. Winston with time. Doug Martin hit immediately. Excellent play by the veteran Sean Witherspoon. Back with the Falcons. He is a physical, emotional.
Once I'm done with it, I'll show y'all. Everything's still wet right now. I just finished gluing this together. Finished painting everything yesterday. There it is. The bottom chassis. Look. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Working on some me time. Working on some music too, but why not just working on some me time, doing my family thing. 1950 Chevy Stepside. Like a purplish color.
No! It's going to be a Howley coming in late and going low.
10-4. Gotta check it out. Show y'all when I'm done. I'm about to go take me a dab. Peace.